Hi there. Today we're gonna talk how we recognize a rooster from a hen. This is a young male rooster, and I'll tell you how. Usually we have these wattles. These are two protruding flaps of meat, and we have the crown, or the rooster crown. Usually a hen will have a smaller crown, very small, obviously depending on the age, and these two wattles will be very small. As the rooster grows, they will grow even a bit more larger, and even the wattles. The rooster will also have a long tail. A rooster will also crow. Usually they crow a couple of times a day. This one is still young. It has around 6 months, but he is developing very fine. It's another rooster. As you can see, the crown has started growing up, and the wattles are even more larger. This is a nearly 8-month rooster. His tail is developing the curved feathers, and this one has already started crowing. As you can see, the redness on his face is very bright, so you know he's near maturing. He's nearly matured. Okay, we're gonna leave him because he doesn't like sitting on me. But as you can see, he's already large in compared to other chickens. Here we have a chicken. Here is a pure mature chicken, rooster. As you can see, the wattle are fully developed, and even the crown. Chicken. The crown is very small, and the flaps are tiny. Usually chickens don't crow, and they have a small fluffy tail. Obviously it depends mostly on the breed, but you can see this is a chicken. From this size, it's also a bit smaller, usually from a rooster. This one is a bit older. It has around a year, and these are very docile. Now I will let her go, so she can go eat with her friends. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.